What is something that is an automatic I am not eating here, we need to leave at a restaurant? 1. Ants in the salt shaker. 2. If Gordon Ramsay is filming inside. My favorite part of Kitchen Nightmares is when the restaurant owner applies to a show called Kitchen Nightmares, gets selected, and then acts shocked when Gordon Ramsay says their kitchen is a nightmare. 3. The place is mostly empty, and the staff looks surprised and confused about your presence. It's a hint that selling food isn't their main business. 4. My brother once saw a mouse tail sticking out of the wall. He told the waiter, who grabbed a spoon, one clearly used for serving guests, and attacked the tail while giggling. My brother's group left immediately. 5. Lots of flies buzzing around the tables or kitchen. 6. At a barbecue joint, if I don't smell the barbecue before walking in, I know it's going to be bad. If it doesn't smell like smoky meat from a block away, it'll be bland and dry. 7. Someone handling food with gloves, but then using those same gloves to handle money, open doors, or touch their face. 8. The smell of a dirty grease trap. After working in kitchens, you learn to recognize it. If the grease trap isn't serviced, the rest of the operation is probably bad too. I once called a cleaning service for a pub without telling the manager because the smell was overwhelming. 9. No prices on the menu. 10. No soap in the bathroom, and no indication it just ran out. If there's no dispenser or empty bottle, that's a deal breaker.